Problem. The humidity is so high, it's so warm and muggy that we're beginning to pick up some fog. It's 63, so it's not particularly cold out there. In fact, it's quite steamy. 75 was our high yesterday. It seemed so much warmer than that. Today we'll probably see 80 degrees because we look for a little bit of sunshine. Now, there you see the temperatures, but the big story, of course, is the fog. That south wind is pumping up all that moisture back into our area. Right now, we've got lower visibilities, especially along the immediate coastline, with let's see, Rockport at a quarter mile. That's like, you know, at the front of your nose there. Port Aransas a quarter mile, 3/4 mile down in Naval Air Station, 7 miles out at the airport on 44. But you can see how the difference is on one side of town. There's another perfect shot from our Skycam. You can see how the ground level moisture is beginning to condense out and give us that fog down there at the surface. But above, we're fairly dry. And that's why we expect the clouds to actually part today and give us a little bit of sunshine. Here's the system that produced that cloud cover that we had for the last couple of days. Well, that's now beginning to pull away and take with it all that rain. You see right about there, we've cleared out very nicely. In fact, tomorrow, the frontal system comes through, makes it, well, it doesn't really cool it down, but it makes it very humid, rather dry tomorrow after the humidity today. So fog advisories all the way to Laredo if you happen to be driving westbound. We also have some small craft advisories out there. Right about here is where the frontal system is located. It is coming through. There you see the cloud deck beginning to pull away, and we're waiting for that front to arrive tomorrow morning. It'll give us a west wind. That's why it's going to warm us up. But this is front number one. Front number two is going to be much colder. See a lot of stormy weather on the west coast. Got some video to show you. Not only did it storm in the mountains, but it also rained down south in Southern California. And this is the LA River, which is basically a culvert, concrete, covered in concrete. And there you see the mud flow from the burn areas. You see how it's all black and ugly? That's what happens when they get the big fires. Then the rain comes and you get that problem. They were saying that it came down in biblical proportions for the rain for about 20 minutes and then it was over. So that's system number one. We're waiting for number two. That's going to be the colder one for us. Here's the one that pulls away with the cloud deck. Sunny skies today. Front comes through in the morning, then sunny skies for the weekend, gorgeous with low humidities and nice mild temperatures. Colder weather doesn't arrive until about Monday night. That's when the next front comes through, and that's actually going to put us back into a little bit of a chill. So today, 80 degrees, not bad. Tomorrow, 80 degrees, but even better because low humidity will make it very comfortable. Frontal system will be Monday morning, and then by Tuesday you'll feel it because the low will get down to 48 and the daytime highs back to only about 60 degrees, but that's not until next week. That's your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy.